Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2021. Yes, we have a 4 stars Sudoku and this will be a number 2262. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed numbers, digits. I have already counted the 24 printed digits. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the whole Sudoku. Alright, I see 4 7, so let me start with a 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only three places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. All right. Digit number 1, number 7. How about? Let me see. Let me see. This column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then. Yeah. Okay. Four missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the missing number in this column is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing in this column, 2, 3. The 4 is missing in this column, and the 5 is missing in this column. 145, 145. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6, 3, 2. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Not easy at all. Four. Okay, 4. Uh, 3 missing numbers. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 4, the 3, and the 8. We see here 4 and 8, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Alright. 3, 1, and 2. Okay. How about Yeah. 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. No. 4, 2. Look, this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, 2, and 6. We have 4, 2, 6 in the last row. So no 4, 2, and 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4, 2, 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. That means the other 2 numbers, 4, 2, 6, are the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. Alright, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 5 is missing. And 8 is missing. Alright. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2, 4, 6. Well, we have a 2 here in the last column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then 3, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 6. 2 boxes left in the third row. Same numbers, 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3, 3, 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 in this big square. That means the other pair should be 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Alright. 3 and 6. Here should be a 2. Okay. 4, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this row. We see a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Then 5, 8, 1, 1, 8, 5. Okay. 8, 6. Not easy at all, this one. Alright, we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 place for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Yes, we have a pair. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 place for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright. 1 number left in the second column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 9. How about those 2 boxes in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 9 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the 2 last Sudokus of this additional. And 8 tectonic and 8 binary are left for you to solve. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.